Celebration! Yay! Kasi we've reached 4,000 subs! Yay! I'm actually very happy that we reached 4,000 subscribers. I don't know why 4,000, pero I don't know. It's just making me happy na 4,000. So I'd like to thank everybody who has shared my videos. I also want to thank everybody who has supported me this far. I will have special mentions. TechnoAxe for the audio. Like, matagal ko na ako nakasubscribe kay TechnoAxe, but he has some cool audio na you can use na royalty-free. Noy Villarin, Francis Villarin, he's an Accenture, and he's actually the Filipino Virtual Assistants franchise holder for KSA. M.A. Buendia, we sometimes exchange ideas. Humingi din ako ng guidance sa kanya kasi mas matagal na siya sa industry, no? Carlos for consultation. Siya yung tumulong sa akin sa work from home PC builds. So, recommendation yan. Apps, Julian Vergara, Aji Sagmit. So, Aji was one of the persons who helped me understand import-export a bit. Saka yung how she licensed internationally. Saka sila din yung may eatable straws. So, imagine no kung may eatable straws na pwede sa mga bahay. Gagawin mong pasta. Kasi pwede mong gawing pasta yun. Rina Moreno Banyes. Eric Domingo. For some reason, natuwa ko din sa isang coaching ko. No? Kasi he got financial consultation. He increased his money, his net worth by a lot. Noreen Lim, who helped me with the helicopter video. And Darin Ting, the owner of Ascent, or yung helicopter video ko. Regina Ongkinko, Murfix, Ricky Chu, Jean Alvarado Chu, Irene Lunar. Irene was actually the one who helped me decide on yung best-selling video ko about insurance. B. Madriono for FWD Insurance. Mimi Garcia for Generali. Jennifer Lof, Ben, Razel, Danya, Adan, Mario. So for the network, I'd like to thank Ella. I'd like to thank Sev. For real estate, Doris, of course, sila Biden, Sam, Isaac, Yan Nasis. Okay, so mga nag-share ng video ko, si Kakay Clarice, Aldo, Cynthia, Jeline, si Kaloy, Ives, Pau, Jufel, Jonathan Barros, Jake Pareño Masangkay, Dennis Tiberio, Rica Cacnio, Riel Lumage, Dennis Tiberio, Robbie Villagen, Sir NC, Stock Markets, Aljay, nakausap ko din dito si Ben Hermosilla, but thank you for the support. Si Fen, Tiffany Roxas, Rojas, Jelay Francisco, James Gallo, Archie Palperin, Rick Coronel, Mark Orozco, Mega, May Chua, Drew Santos, Takgo, so mag-subscribe din kayo sa kanya. Ferry Malsada, mag-subscribe din kayo sa kanya. Zane, Ria Jose, Jeff Ayanko, nag-upload na din siya sa ganda ng setup niya. Nakakaingit. Tsaka, of course, IC. I'd like to thank din si Flor, si Alan Dave, Weng. I'd like to thank you too. So, for everybody that has been supporting me through this journey, alam ko minsan makulit ako, nagtatanong ako, no? At saka yung sa mga ibang hindi pumapansin na sa akin ngayon. Thank you so much. I won't shove it in your face. Thank you for your support so far. Sa mga naging clients ko, kung meron mga hindi nabate at hindi nasabi for this cycle, plus you help me along the way, I will actually mention in the next thank you video. So, kung gusto nyo ng promotions, you can message me directly with. Thank you everybody for helping me reach 4,000 subscribers. If you would like to support the channel, I will leave my bank details and also my PayPal. May PayPal me, so make a transfer. But if you are gonna make a donation for the drive, kasi di ba we're sending money to this charity, so Gabay ng Buhay Foundation, we might have another run. Magpapakain ata tayo doon. Pero depende yan kung merong mga magpapa-advertise ng food, no? Yeah, feel free to donate. Just let me know kung yung donation is for them. Thank you for your support so far. Bye! See you next time. Thank you for watching.